Guys, this is so good.
So, Mr. Chef?
So
Mr.
good.
Chef. Oh, yeah. We just want the fish to be round up. Okay, no.
So good. Mm. Mm.
So good.
Mm. 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 And what I like
The
about
sauce on it.
the tartar sauce, what I like about it is you taste every spice in there. Every one of the spices we put in there, you taste it, you get to taste it. And you don't taste any fish in there at all. It's not fishy. Because I know some people don't like the fishy smell. It does not taste like fish at all. So good, delicious. Mm. Mm. Guys, this is so delicious. It's so good. It's pumpkin pie, pumpkin yam and pumpkin pie. Okay, I'm struggling to look at that.
Yum, guys.
It's yummy, super yummy, and we got our drinks too. So, hey, I gotta go eat. We are about to go have a cooking class. Our cooking class, the chef is gonna be here, but let me just show you guys around on what the food is gonna be. You guys see that? You guys see all these goodies?
Yeah. You're going to make some different food, and we're gonna use all of these things to make the food. Yes.
And it's Caribbean style.
Mm-hmm. And then Caribbean style.
Look at that. Look at all this. And the girls are gonna be cooking too. Right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
And then I'm gonna grow up. I'm gonna be a chef. Yeah, me too.
Yes, sir.
Chef Davis. Chef
Amanda.
Amanda.
Glenn.
Great.
Glenn. G-L-E-N-N.
Okay, so
And Lexington and Brooklyn.
Lexi.
And Brooklyn and Lexington.
Alright, great.
Yes.
And pumpkin pie.
Okay.
All right.
So you're gonna get started with the yam and pumpkin pie.
What is that one?
Seasoning peppers.
Oh. And again, what are we making right now?
I'm making the white sauce for the yam pie.
Oh, the white sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's just garlic.
Garlic, okay.
Nutmeg.
All right.
That's great. Yeah.
Just one.
Yeah.
All right. Just one. All right.
Onions.
Onions. You all like onions?
How
How many scoops on this one?
2. 3. Just a little baking powder.
Bacon powder. Yeah, bacon. How many?
That's fine.
Bacon powder.
How much flour do you put in? That was just one scoop of flour.
That's baking powder.
Oh, baking
That's
powder.
well.
Oh, just one scoop of baking.
Yeah. Still want 3 tablespoons of flour. Three tablespoons. Yeah.
1.
Two. 3.
Actually, you can go ahead and add it 1 minute as well.
4.
You're doing awesome.
I'm not.
But you do an awesome job. Oh, water.
Go ahead and stir.
Stir it up.
Yes, sir.
Stir it up. So guys, now we're mixing it up so it can become a kind of food now.
So what you guys making?
We are making, I think it was fish cake. And this is like
White sauce.
White sauce.
Oh, yummy. This stuff comes natural to me because I'm a cook and by right. I'm also a cook. My wife, what do you think? Am I a cook?
You
You
are,
like my cooking though?
yes, you are an awesome, awesome chef in the house. Yes. And the girls want to be, you want to be,
chef.
when you
Chef.
grow, you want to be a
Chef.
Alright guys, so Chef Davis is making all this, okay? It smells so good in here, guys. You have all these spices with the peppers, the Caribbean peppers and onions, baking powder, all these vegetables, lemon, lime, chive. It smells so good in here, guys. You should be here for this. Chef Davis is really doing a great job with this. White sauce. So what's in that white sauce again?
Chives, onions, garlic,
Okay.
cream, cream, coconut oil. And add some cheese now.
Oh.
And what are we making again?
Yum and pumpkin pie.
Yum and pumpkin pie. Is that the delicacy? Yum and pumpkin. Okay. So yummy pumpkin pie is known in St. Lucia. Okay. It looks delicious, guys. Look at the color. So colorful. Adding all the spices.
Got cheese. Can I put some? That's pie. Cheese pie.
Yeah, pumpkin pie.
You got your own?
In the oven? Alright. So pretty.
Real sauce.
Okay guys, now so he's making the Creole sauce. Creole sauce has everything in here. Everything you see here has Creole sauce in it. And look at this. That's everything he's making is fresh. There's the fish. Yum. That.
And these are limes? These are limes? Limes.
Lemon.
Lemon, oh. Okay.
Okay. Fish cake is ready and we're about to eat some. And we made it ourselves and taste.
Alright. Let's taste it and see.
And this is the sauce.
Tasting, tasting.
Oh, it's hot. Okay, it's hot, guys.
It's hot.
Daddy.
Alright, let it cool down.
Really good, guys.
That's the fish cake. Can mommy taste the fish cake?
Yeah.
Alright, Lexi, how is it tasting? How do you like it? How do you like it?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah. So guys, our pie is done, and I remember he put some cheese on it, so it looks extra cheesy, and yeah, it looks super good, and more things are coming, yeah. These two are finally done. Look at my hand.
Delicious. Look at that.
Thank you so much, Chef Davis. It looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We can't wait to dip in. And oh, it's getting garnished now. Oh boy, that's looking good, guys. It's looking so good.
Wow.
And our fish cakes are still here too. Let's dip in and see what we think. Brought everything back to us, and we are about to have delicious, delicious pie that we made. Guys, this is so delicious. It's so good. It's pumpkin pie, pumpkin yam and pumpkin pie. Okay, I'm struggling to look at that.
Yum, guys.
It's yummy,
The pumpkin
super yummy,
fruity.
and we got our drinks too. So, hey. Ciao, ciao, ciao. I gotta go eat.